my god. Really? Really? Wake up! Jesus, wake up!
What the hell's wrong with you, man? Is that your new way of waking up people?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I wake you? You sound like a freaking tank coming towards the house, man. Take it easy. If your nose is blocked, go fix it. Jeez. Jeez. Stupid.
You heard yourself ever snore? You sound like a horse who's chewing going, hey.
Oh, hell no. You didn't just go there. Do you want to take it outside? Do you want to take it outside, boy? Let's go. Let's take it outside. Come on, let's go.
What you gonna do about it? You gonna get the gun like always?
No. Yes.
You want me to use my superpowers?
Hey.
What are you doing? What is that bum?
I just brought my tank on autopilot. If you don't believe me, you can open the window and check for yourself.
Oh shit! That boy got a tank! Oh, I wanna play it like this? I missed the explosion! Bring it in, boys!
Friendly airstrike inbound.
Did you get a missile? Is everything ready? Do it.
Dude, did you realize that we're all gonna die? Hehehehe